Stop wasting your time with basic ChatGPT. In 2026, AI has evolved to do 10 hours of work in just 10 minutes. Today, I'm revealing 5 secret AI tools that are currently going viral in the US. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Gamma.app. Forget PowerPoint, just type one sentence about your topic, and this AI creates a professional presentation with images and charts in under 60 seconds. It's a literal lifesaver for students and office workers. Number 2 is Leonardo.ai. If you need high-quality 4K images for your projects, this is better than Midjourney, and it's free to start. You can create anything from realistic human portraits to futuristic architecture just by typing a prompt. Number 3 is Perplexity. It's like Google but smarter. It doesn't give you a list of links, it gives you a direct, cited answer to any question. It's the ultimate research assistant for 2026. Number 4 is Humata. Imagine having a 500-page PDF and needing to find one specific detail. Just upload it to Humata and ask it anything. It's like chatting with your documents. Finally, number 5 is CapCut's AI features. It can automatically add captions, remove backgrounds, and even edit your videos based on the music beat. It's why faceless channels are exploding right now. Which one of these tools was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI secrets. See you in the next one.